My name is Edna W. I'm the Executive Director of the West Jupiter Community Group. I'm honored to be nominated by the Chamber of Commerce Women's for the youth, children and youth activities. I love serving the people that I come in contact with and the families, and I'm truly honored to be sticking my neck out, because I love to stick my neck out to help these families and realize that without your help, I cannot help the people that we serve. And I want to thank the people of the North and Palm Beach County that helped me to serve the families that we serve. So thank you for choosing me, and I appreciate it. Hashtag, she stuck her neck out.